food truck day. Y'all, wow. Wow. Before I start eating, I've got to give you a tour of my plate. Or my little box, however you want to say it. Wow. Okay, we're going to do this together because I've already took a sneak peek. And I wish you could smell it. It's heavenly. Okay, here it is. Here's the plate. Move my Mountain Dew out of the way. They gave me a ranch and a fork. Y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say besides they're going to have to come back. That's just all there is to it. They've got to come back. I'm assuming, yeah, that's ranch. I was about to say, I was assuming that is. They didn't ask. So, yeah. Y'all, I think I may hurt myself. I just may hurt myself with this meal. All right, let's start. First, we're going to taste the baked beans. Let's do that. Yep. I like those. Mm-hmm. That got a little baby. I think I'm gonna be dancing this whole time, y'all. Okay. Okay. Now the potato salad. Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. Y'all. And here's the food truck. If you want to ever see them in the area, please stop and get you something. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay. And very nice. Very fast. I mean, I walked down there at 11:25 and it is 11:37 right now, and I've already been back. We're already 3 minutes in the video. Yeah. Very fast, and oh gosh, this is good. I mean, they were ready. I mean, not to put down the other food trucks, but sometimes they're not ready to go. And they're supposed to be here at 11:30 and they're not ready to go. Okay. I think I can touch these chickens now. Because boy, they had some steam coming off of them when I was coming back up to my desk. Alright, and this is in Wicked, is what I got. Oh gosh, this is good. I told y'all yesterday, I was having a feeling. When I kept looking at that menu, I was like, it's going to be a good lunch. This is going to be amazing. I really do. I am not disappointed at all. I don't know what Wicked's supposed to be, but I could eat it up. It's not hot. I mean, it's got a little bit to it, but nothing I can't handle. Okay, let's put it that way. Oh, this is so good. I really hope they come back, because they are a new favorite. Oh. Y'all, sometimes you just gotta close your eyes and enjoy. You know? Let all your senses take over. Now my nose is gonna run, but that's okay. Oh, y'all. I probably need to try the ranch. I'm telling y'all, I don't need it. No, don't like the ranch. And they don't need it. They don't need it anyway. It's better without it. I mean, this is one of those meals you don't want to see it end. They only gave me one flat, so I'm going to hold that till the end, because I like the flats. I like drumsticks too, but I'm just saying. And if you were wondering, I got 5 wings. That's how many I got. I don't know if you could tell that in the beginning of the video, but there's 5. Oh. I'm so glad. That I live in a world where this kind of food exists. Mmm. Mmm. I hadn't had baked beans that taste that good in a long time. And they don't appear to have anything special in them. My eyes are watering, y'all. Ah. Okay. So I don't know if all their seasonings are in it and you just don't have to eat it. I don't know. There's ain't a thing in here but baked beans. They're just the beans and the sauce. Mmm. Oh, what's got my eyes watering? Now this one's been sitting in that sauce. Look at that. Yeah. Mmm. Here, try a bite. Well, I tried to share. It's not my fault. Mmm. Mm. Yeah, I had that all over me. Oh gosh, y'all. My eyes are still watering. I ain't gonna have no makeup left if they don't quit. Must have been where I went outside. I don't know why it does that. All right, last chicken wing. Mm. Now I got to get this broke because I got to get that meat on the inside. There we go. That's the way you eat it flat. I don't want to eat that. That's what I picked off. That's why I like the flat so good. You don't really get that meat. Or it's easier for me, I guess I should say. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Oh. Last bite of potato salad. Mm. Last bite of baked beans. Oh, y'all. My goodness. Oh. I told you I was probably going to hurt myself. I knew I wasn't going to leave a drop. And I didn't. The only thing I left is that ranch dressing. But and I gotta wash my hands. All right. Let me go clean myself up. Get my eyes to quit watering. Oh, and I hope you have a good rest of your Thursday. We are one day shy of the weekend, y'all. And we're already halfway done with this one. So, something was moving. All right, y'all have a good rest of your day. And I don't know what we're doing for supper, so we'll see. But if we don't see you for supper, I will see you tomorrow for Friday's lunch edition of Tamara's Lunchbox. And until then, may the peace of the Lord be with you. Until I see you again, take care.